This is Ruth with Sage Gardens and Art Studio, and as promised, I have decided to do something for May the 4th. I don't know why. I am a Star Wars fan. I'm kind of a nerd that way. But I went a couple days ago to the Quilted Cow looking for a fabric that was kind of spacey, starry fabric, and they didn't have as much as I would have liked, but they did have some, and they had enough to inspire me. So I'll show you what I got. This is what she showed me at first. It was a package of several fabrics, but this was the one that really stood out, and I didn't get the other stuff, but I got some of this, and this is probably what I'll use today. And I'm going to use my embroidery machine, and they have built-in stitches that has little stars, and I thought I will make a couple of mug rugs and put May the 4th be with you on it, and then do some little star chains on top of this, and I'll make them gold. This is little gold, I don't know what it is, little gold thingies, let me see what it says. It says Gemini, and it has different words on it. Pisces. Oh, it's got the names of the star charts on here. Big Dipper, Little Dipper. Oh, which is pretty cool. So I've got enough to make a few, and I did get some other fabric. This is kind of a starry fabric. This could be something as well. It's got kind of light purple in it, so you could change your thread and do something with that. And then I got this, and it is like more technical stuff, which I thought was kind of cool. I got like quarter yards of most of it, except for this one I got a yard of, and I got an eighth of a yard of this because it was 108 inches wide, and I didn't think I needed that much, plus it was, kind of pricey. So, but this also would make some good starry stuff. However, I'm not going to make that many mug rugs, but I thought since I've got some of this variety, I will maybe make a quilt, a little spacey quilt, maybe a big spacey quilt, and this next week Hobby Lobby will have fabric on sale, and I'm pretty sure they have starry spacey stuff. I might get some more to make sure that I have enough to actually make a quilt, and I should have some of this left too, maybe, depending, because I've got to do front and back. I don't know whether to do front of this and then the back of something else. I think I'll just do front and back of both of these, and then I'll also quilt it. So that's what I'm gonna do, is take this, cut it up, and then I'll find some, I think I already have a couple of pieces of batting about the right size, and I will make those, cut those up, and get started. I've decided to make 4 mug rugs. They'll be perfect for gifts or just to brighten up my coffee table. To make things simple, I'm cutting everything into 10-inch squares. That means 10-inch squares of fabric for the top, 10-inch squares for the backing, and 10-inch squares of batting for the middle. I like to stack my fabric up in neat layers, smooth everything out, and use a embroidery cutter with a ruler to get clean, even edges. Taking a moment here helps everything line up later when we sew. So for 4 mug rugs, I'll need 4 top pieces, 4 backing pieces, and 4 batting squares, all cut to 10 inches. Now that everything's cut and ready, we're set up for the fun part, putting these mug rugs together. Let's move on to sewing and embroidery. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment. I always look at the comments and answer them. Would you do anything like this? I know it's a little late. It's not May the 4th anymore, but it'll be good for next year. I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. It would help us out a lot, and hit the thumbs up button. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. I'd appreciate that also. Have a good day or night.